Scrappy family, Amanda here. I am bringing you today the layouts that I was able to complete at the previous day crop. So I uploaded a video of the kit I put together, and now here are the layouts that I was able to complete from the kits that we put together. Again, this is what I did at a recent day crop. Let's get into the layouts. This was my first layout that I'm sharing today. I used the Echo Park Play All Day Girls Collection for this for these photos. I used a piece of pattern paper. I believe that was from a Damask Love paper kit. I can't remember. And then a piece of solid cardstock. And then I used a bunch of stickers and some paper from my 6x6 paper pad to embellish the page. So this is that. Okay, so that's page number one. Then I did this page using mostly, I did use an American Crafts colored cardstock as my background, and then mostly the Pebbles collection that I had shared, Live Life Happy. I absolutely loved this collection. There was so much in that 6x8 paper pad that I wanted to use that I just couldn't because my page would be overflowing. But this is my page for those photos. I only had 2 photos, but I really think that this turned out really, really fun. I used some Kiwi Lane circle dies to cut out my circles, and just elements from the paper pad. I did not have a sticker sheet for this, so this is literally everything on here is paper, and some of it I put some dimension on to pop up. So that's page number 2. Then I did this double page layout of the photos of my daughter with her princesses, her Disney princess collection of stuffies. And with this, I used a few collections. I had some Disney stickers. On this one, I used some Simple Story Enchanted 6x6 papers, as well as My Little Girl from Echo Park. Now, the Simple Stories Enchanted is a really old collection. It's from 2015, but the Echo Park My Little Girl is from 2024. So we were able to utilize a myriad of product, which I loved. But yeah, so this was a piece of cut apart. We had some enamel dots, some foam stickers, some tags, and I added some twine here. This little frog, because she has Tiana, and if you don't know, Tiana is the story of the Princess and the Frog. So I wanted to include that here. When I was putting the kit together, I know there were other elements I said I wanted to use, but when I got there that day, I couldn't remember for the life of me. But this is how it turned out, and I think it came out really cute. So I love that. So this was a double page layout. So that's 4 pages thus far. Then we have this really cute single page layout of my daughter. And here I used the New Day collection from Echo Park, as well as some thickers phrases that I had that were like on an ombre, which were really cute. I used some pastel matte enamel dots. Those came out really cute. And just a few sheets of paper. I didn't do a lot of journaling on here, but I did put the year. I just thought these were such cute pictures of her. So layout number 5. Then we got into the dinosaur pictures that I've been avoiding cropping for some reason. So here's a double page layout I did of the 4x4 photos that I had. I had these photos already printed in 4x4. So I was able to utilize, I did a brown background cardstock. I used several paper collections. I have these embellishments from the Close to My Heart embellishment sticker and chipboard pieces. So I'm really proud of myself for being able to utilize those. Then I have some Echo Park Dynamite that I was able to use as well for the other parts of this. So I'm really happy to have been able to scrap this. So what was that? So this is 7 pages. And then continuing on with our Dino Day, I have these photos as well that I was able to put together, again, using the Echo Park Dynamite. I did use some, another collection as well for some of the embellishment pieces that came through. I used a navy blue background here, and then I did some faux stitching with a white gel pen as well, just to give it some character, because it's very photo heavy, but I really enjoy how clean it looks. So no. And then I did this double page layout of the baby. In the kit that I created, there were the pictures of him in his bathrobe, but behind that there were a variety of other pictures of him. So this is what I was able to complete. This was my last layout of the day, so I think I might still play around with it a little bit and add some embellishments up here if I get some time. But this again was using the Echo Park Dynamite collection, which I absolutely love. I have the 6x6 paper pad as well as the collection kit. And so this was a cut apart card that I just cut out the sentiment versus utilizing the whole card. I popped some things up on pop dots, but the orange and the navy and all of that really worked together for his outfit. So yeah, so 11 pages total at the day crop, which is amazing, right? With everything that I do at a day crop that we host, you know, all of the running around and things like that happens, being able to actually sit down and create is amazing. So it was a really productive month. And I'm so grateful for that. So thank you. Let me know what you think of the layouts. Let me know which one is your favorite. If I had to pick a favorite of the day, I think it might be either this one or this one. I really love this one. It just looks so fun, and it's just so much my daughter. But then this one, this is my color palette, right? The purples and the lilacs and the blues, like that. I love that. So either of these two, but I honestly love them all. I'm really proud of myself for being able to, you know, scrapbook all of these older pictures. All of these pictures, aside of the ones from the baby, are from 2021 or prior to. And then the one of the baby is from 2023. So either way, they are older photos that I was able to get documented, and I'm really grateful for that. So join me for next month when I put together another page kit for the April crop. Our April crop is a 3-day crop, so I'm really excited about that. So we'll have a lot more projects to put together and hopefully complete. So thank you so much for joining. I hope that you're able to do something creative to make yourself proud today as well. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.